Hi there, students. A stampede. To stampede as a verb. Stampeding as an adjective. Okay, a stampede is a sudden panic, a rush of animals, a rush of horses or cattle stampeding. They're all rushing together. A stampede of buffalo. Yeah, they're all charging in panic in the same direction. And then as a verb, to stampede, this wild panic, the cows stampeded because they sensed danger. They bolted, they charged, they rushed. And this is the idea of a stampede, a wild, headlong rush of frightened animals. Okay, so I'm sure you've all seen a stampede in the movies. The cowboys, very often with who are moving a large number of cows, the cows stampede and they run in a wild, uncontrolled way. Now, very often we can use this for people as well. So, at the end of the match, there was a stampede for the exit. Okay, the crowd became frightened and stampeded, and many people were trampled underfoot. Okay, so it's got the idea of people rushing in a direction. But then you can also use this in the way we used to flock, to go. So everybody stampeded to the shop which was offering laptop computers for £50. Okay, so a large number of people going to an area, a mass impulsive action. There was a stampede of support for the client. You could stampede somebody into making a sudden decision. You're trying to force them to act impulsively. There was a stampede of shoppers heading for the bargains. Okay, so a stampede, lots and lots of people, a large group action. Okay, so they were stampeding to buy all of the bargains. But so the school bell rang and there was a stampede for the door. A stampede of elephants. The loud noise made the elephants stampede. It frightened them. Okay, so a wild headlong scamper running away of a large number of animals, normally caused by fright. And they don't know where they're going. And it's very easy to be crushed or flattened by them. A large crowd of people all trying to go in the same direction at the same time. They say during the Hajj that people stampede towards Mecca. There was a stampede to buy the shares as they had been strongly recommended. So this is a suddenly a group of people or a number of individual people individually acting to do something as if they're all they've all been influenced by a sudden common impulse, and they all go and do it. Yeah, so people stampeded to snap up the bargains. Okay, formality, stampede. 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere, figuratively as well. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Spanish, from Mexican Spanish, una estampida, which is a stampede. It's got, I think it comes from the verb estampar, to stamp something. Yeah, so a stampede. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stampede.